Hey peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous, and in today's video,
we're going to make a custom laser engraved countdown calendar.
So let's get to it.
Merry Craftmas!
Welcome to the first installment of Craftmas 2023,
where we're going to do a bunch of holiday themed crafts on our countdown to Craftmas.
So let's get into the first episode.
We're going to keep it simple and use some supplies that we've already picked up from our local craft store, and we're going to use our Monport CO2 Laser to help us engrave out some custom designs to make something really unique. And I think that's kind of the key to Craftmas, is making unique projects.
So here's our plan. We'll start out with a wooden frame, and on the bottom we can engrave days until Xmas because it's a countdown calendar. Then we'll need some wooden dowels where we can put ornaments on. Also, we can engrave numbers on them, which will be on the front and back side of it. And then lastly, we'll put a design in the background for more customization. So let's get to the project.
Okay, so for our advent calendar, we're going to use these wood ornaments, but in order to hang them, we're going to use this little wood dowel to drill back into the backing of this thing and then have it stick out so that we can put these on here. But the problem is the hole here for the ornament is not big enough for the dowel. So the first thing we're going to do is slowly widen this circle so that the dowel will fit in there.
You could also use a smaller dowel, but at the time we did not have one, so yeah.
Let's get to that. And this is the way we'll position them.
Side note, we used a block under while drilling so we didn't damage any surfaces. In Keynote, we're just going to make the design for the background of the calendar, and we'll just make some snowflakes. Now we'll set it up in LightBurn so it's ready to engrave. So now we're going to spray paint our ornaments so they have time to dry before we engrave them. And we're going to use two different colors, a green and a metallic, just to give them a frosty look. And here's the results. Now we'll go back to working on the frame while those dry. Now we can paint the other side. So we're back in LightBurn, where we will create a circle that we can engrave on tape so we know where to place the ornaments when we put them in the machine. Using the text tool, we'll also add the numbers that we want, which will center inside the circle. We also want the circle to be on a line layer and the number to be on a fill layer. And we'll make sure to only have the output on the line layer because we're engraving this on tape. Now we can start the engraving. And we forgot to put the GoPro in, so please enjoy this footage.
Now that we have our ornament, I can put that down right in the middle where it needs to go.
Now I'll turn off the output for the circle and the output on for the number. And we can flip the ornament over and engrave on the other side. And we'll keep doing this until we've engraved all the ornaments.
So now we're going to measure here so that we can put our writing days till Christmas. The reason we didn't do it initially when we did this circle is because they're at different heights. So we would have to adjust the height in order to get the laser to focus on this here.
I think the results turned out pretty cool. The only thing is I kind of wish the ornaments actually fit on the dowel. We could have probably used a smaller dowel or an ornament that had a bigger hole, but it still turned out cool in the end.
That's all right.
I do like the spray paint finish though.
Yeah, that turned out pretty unique where we used 2 different colors of spray paint to kind of create some shimmer, I guess, which I think it looks pretty neat.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications to get reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye!